Hello, my name is Julia and I'm a clinical exercise physiologist with the Health and Wellness Lab. In today's video, we're going to be going over a balance board balance exercise. Now, before we get into it, please make sure you look at our disclaimer on our website. And if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, you can give us an email at ace@ucalgary.ca. Now let's get moving. The purpose of this exercise is to train our balance and our stability, an important factor when translating into activities of daily living. Now, we're going to be doing today's balance exercises on a balance board, but I'm going to show some modifications for what you can do from at home. So, if you have a balance board, grab your balance board. For any balance exercise, you can do this one with your shoes or without your shoes. Having shoes will make it a little bit easier because you're relying on your shoe to help with the stabilization of the exercise. Whereas when you're going barefoot, you're relying solely on the muscles, stabilizers, everything of your feet and your legs. So if you're up to a little challenge, you can do this without your shoes. Now, you're going to want to find something like a wall, a chair, the island in your kitchen, anything that you can kind of have close by to hold onto or put a finger onto to kind of assist you in this balance exercise. You don't have to use it, but you can have it there as a safety net. Now, to go onto your balance board, you can either start with one foot on the middle and then shuffle your feet to either side of the balance board, or you can start with one foot and then the other, whichever option feels best. Now, when getting into this balance exercise, you want to make sure that those knees have a nice soft bend in them. So trying to avoid straightening out through those knees, locking them up, keeping a nice soft bend, keeping the core engaged. Remember to breathe. When we breathe, we can move through the movement a little bit easier. Now, balance varies day to day. Today, mine is clearly not very good, so keeping that in mind as you're balancing through these exercises. Now, if you don't have something like a balance board, fear not. There are so many things you can use at home. Blankets, an inflatable mattress, a regular mattress, pillows, a sit disc if you have it. Playing around with anything you have at home that creates a bit of an unstable surface. Now, if you're using something like a pillow, you want to make sure that you have a nice secure surface, so something where you're going to have a bit of traction so that it doesn't slip away from under you. Now with the pillow, you can either go with one foot and just practicing your balance here. You can take it and add a bit of a dynamic element, use that other foot to go into a bit of a clockwork here. You can write the alphabet or your name with the other foot, adding a bit of instability to our balance exercise. You can also grab two pillows. I should have grabbed two pillows. Two blankets, and shift your weight from side to side as well. So whether you're on one foot or shifting your weight from side to side, you're still working on that balance. So choosing an option that feels good for you. All right, that's balance on a balance board, pillow, sit disc, blanket, whatever you have at home. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.